To begin installing the rocker switch, you're going to want to remove the center panel and flip it over to the other side.
You're going to have a couple empty slots, whichever one you want, just take it out. You're going to want to squeeze the bottom and top part and it should pop off. There we go. Pops right off. Now you're going to want to install the rocker switch. Perfect fit. To begin installing, you're going to want to splice the cables off the ATV switch. Okay. Just put this aside, you're not going to need this anymore. You're going to want to cut the outside covering and have a little bit of the inside wire sticking out to splice the cables and connect it to the rocker switch.
Next, you're going to want to splice the 3 cables. Once you've got them all spliced, you're going to want to begin installing the terminals.
Now you're going to want to reconnect the cables. Green is going to be your winch in. Red gonna be your power cable, the middle, and black is your winch out. And there you have it. You're gonna want to reinstall everything back together and we'll test it out real quick. Sounds like it works.
If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.